Alright, welcome back. So in this lesson for code.org, this is CS Discoveries. This is actually lesson 10 dealing with text, and this is a challenge activity. So it says white text on white background, and it says you can add border to your text using the stroke command. So we have stroke here, where obviously that adds this color right here. But like other shapes, you can also have the stroke weight command to change the thickness of that. By running the code below, you'll notice that the normal stroke weight of text doesn't give it much contrast with the background in the same color. And you can see that I ran that right here. And you can see it's kind of very difficult to see. So we have a white background, that's what this does. And then the color of the text is going to be black, that's what stroke is there. And then the text size is 20. And then the text is 7 years ago, and that's the location, and the X and the Y. So what we want to do is we actually want to add a stroke weight to this. So that's under drawing. And we're just going to go ahead and drag this out right here. Okay, and it sets up as 3. Let's just try 3, see if that fits it. But what that basically does is it makes this a little darker. So let's go ahead and run it. There we go. So we can do that. Now if we can be a little careful with this, if you make it too big, it's probably going to make the text not very readable. You can see this is not a good look. So we're going to make it just 3. Yeah, I think that looks perfect. All right, so this is kind of how you make so this should be a good look for it right here with 3. You can change the number a little bit with the stroke weight, but that's essentially what that's doing, is just adding a thicker color for the line. All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding. Good luck.